Hello people, welcome back to Lance DIY. In today's episode, we're going to be running lights around the front door. We're going to do it in a fashion I don't think I've seen before. It's going to be indirect lighting on the doors, but it's going to be 100% splash on the door itself. You'll see that here better when I shut that light off. But this video is going to be pretty lengthy. It's pretty complicated. Now, being your door situation on your house can vary. Now, on this project here, we had to replace the door. So I had to get a new door. I had to re-pour concrete on the bottom, and I had to get a new storm door. So I had to buy all new. But if you had an older door, you might be able to do it. You're gonna have to rework it. There's 1,000 different ways to rework it. So you don't have to do it this way, but when it comes to the electrical, that's the hardest part of it all. But the way that we did it here, you can't see anything. It's cut, it's clean. When the lights are off, you can't see the lights. Now, but like I said, it's 100% splash in the door. It looks great. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, share, and comment on the video. Pass it along. Now, this week I'm not going to actually put out the whole video. It's a pretty long video, but I will be throwing this out for you guys, so that way you guys know that this is coming up on the channel. But definitely recommend you doing your homework when you do this. You really got to know what you're doing, especially with the electrical. Don't want to screw that up. But I'll show you what I did on this project here. Thanks for watching.